A decree on training for Roman Catholic priests published Wednesday insists gays cannot enter the priesthood. The document says, quote, "The Church, while deeply respecting the people concerned, cannot admit to a seminary or into holy orders those who practice homosexuality, show deep-seated homosexual tendencies, or support what is called gay culture." The new comprehensive guide to the training of Catholic clergy was approved by Pope Francis and published by the Vatican's official journal. It updates a previous version dating back 30 years about the barring of people who present homosexual tendencies. But the new decree exempts candidates with, quote, "homosexual tendencies which may only be the expression of a transitory problem, such as an adolescent."